This How to 1 Minute will show you how to create a sticky header in WordPress using Elementor. Follow these easy steps to create your sticky menu. First of all, go to your WordPress dashboard and we will install 2 plugins. So hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here Elements Kit and search for it. So this is the first plugin we are going to install. So install and activate this Elements Kit Elementor add-ons plugin. Once done, let's search for the second plugin. Here type sticky header effect for Elementor and search for it, and install and activate the sticky header effects for Elementor plugin. Once done, scroll down here and here you will get Elements Kit. Hover over on it and click on header footer, and here click on add new. Enter here title header and type, make sure to select header. Conditions, select entire site because we want to make a sticky header for our entire WordPress website, right? And here activate this template and then click on edit content. And now click on settings and here page layout, make sure to select here Elementor full width. And now let's create a menu. So click on this add Elements Kit template icon and here select sections. Click on this category drop down and here select header, and let's select or insert this menu. And here we can see the menu has been inserted. Now it's time to customize this menu. So click on this blank space and select menu. I'm selecting my main menu or primary menu. And now you can add your logo here, but I'm going to delete this logo section. Also, you can edit the social media sections or you can delete this. Okay, now select the menu container and here content width, make sure to select full width and go to style. Here you can change your navigation background color. Once your menu editing finish, go to advanced section and here scroll down and you will get here sticky header effects. Click on it and now just enable sticky header. Once it's enabled, scroll down. If you want to make your navigation menu sticky for desktop only, then here you have to write only desktop. Or if you want to make the header sticky for mobile, select mobile also. You can also enable tablet. Once done, you can change the scroll distance. And now let's update our menu. And now let's visit our site and simply reload your website. And now if I scroll down, after 60 pixels, here we can see my menu is sticky now. And go to the menu editing page. Here again, you can enable transparent header. Set the header position to absolute, so navigate margins are not needed. And you can also add a background color. Choose what color to change the background to after scrolling. So I want after scrolling the background color will be white. So here's color selecting white. No, I'm selecting here red color, and let's update. Let's reload our site. So here we can see the default background, the default header color is dark blue, and if I scroll down after going to sticky, the color has been changed to red color. Here we can see. Again, go to header settings page and you can add a bottom border. So choose bottom border size and color from here. You can shrink your header, you can shrink your logo, you can add, so it will add a modern blur effect to semi-transparent header background color after scrolling. So this is how we can make a sticky navigation or menu in WordPress using Elementor. If this video helped you, please leave a like and comment below if it works. Thank you very much.